Nicely fluffing up around the corners there. Make sure you click the bell so I can keep giving you more videos. We're using the onions because I bought a big bag of onions, 50 pounds of onions for $7.98. So I'm doing a lot of recipes with onions. Today we're going to make a special omelette, so we're going to put in some diced ham and onions first. Put about 2 or 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. We have peanut oil here. So I have about a medium onion, which I dice up. So I'll put the diced ham. You can put anything else you like. You can put bacon, you can put bacon would be good. So we're going to do the omelette right now. I preheat the wok at medium high, and I put about 3 or 4 tablespoons of cooking oil here. So you can use peanut oil or corn oil, canola oil. So now I'm just going to beat 3 eggs in there with the ham and the onions. So usually I find you put about 3 tablespoons of cooking ingredient in there. Sometimes it gets too heavy, so I find that 3 tablespoons is enough. Sometimes put a little more. So the wok is going pretty good, just starting to smoke, so you put the eggs in there. Going to fluffy. I'll put some tomatoes in there. I don't grill the tomatoes because I like the raw tomato in there. So it's nice and fluffy around the edges here. So that's a good sign. The wok is properly heated. So now we're just going to flip the omelet. So get under it and go. There you go. So the wok is really good for doing omelets. That's why I like to use it all the time. So just flip it back one more time and then you just take off the omelet. Just like that. So we're just going to fold the omelet like that. So now we're going to take off the omelet. So there you have it. Ham and onion omelette with lots of onions. Enjoy. The recipes you get now is what I call stay-at-home recipes. This is what I have in my fridge. And if you have any suggestions, let me know. Put it in the comments in the section below. And be sure to give me a like. And be sure to subscribe. And make sure you click the bell so I can keep giving you more videos.